Welcome to this CoCloud tutorial. We'll show you how to use volume calculation and volume comparison features. These tools help you assess stockpile volumes, excavation, and monitor project changes. Start by drawing a polygon over the area you want to calculate volume for. You can rename the polygon for easy management. Next, open the Properties panel and click Volume Calculation. Set parameters such as Mesh Method, Reference Surface, and Base Surface options include lowest point or fixed height. Advanced settings like ground point filtering, outlier removal, and point cloud simplification are also available. Click Start Calculation to submit the task. You'll see the task listed on the left under the volume group with a waiting or processing status. Once complete, view the volume results on the page. Click Data Details to download a full report from the volume card. For datasets from different times within the same project, CoCloud supports volume comparison. Select an existing polygon annotation. Then click Volume Comparison in the Properties panel. Choose two datasets to compare. Set mesh and reference surfaces. And adjust advanced options if needed. Click Calculate to start the comparison task. It appears under the volume group with processing status. After processing, view volume changes on screen. Download the comparison report via Data Details for record keeping or submission. With CoCloud's volume calculation and comparison tools, you can efficiently track terrain changes and excavation volumes, empowering better project decisions and management.